guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So today, guys, again, it is Cookmas. Merry Cookmas Day 2. For Cookmas Day 2, I'm going to go ahead and bring you something sweet. I'm going to go ahead and take a twist on the classic PB&J, otherwise known as the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm going to go ahead and make some peanut butter and jam or peanut butter and jelly muffins. So you're going to get the best of both worlds with the peanut butter and the jelly, but it's going to be muffin style. So if this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead, leave me that big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And we are on the way to 2K, guys, so please, if you could, I would appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. guys, here are the peanut butter and jam muffins. In this case, we went ahead and used that delicious strawberry preserve, and also the muffin itself is a delicious peanut butter muffin, so you can't go wrong with that. If you love peanut butter, you're gonna find it fantastic. And then the fact that we went ahead and just swirled a little bit of jelly on top, it gives you definitely the best of both worlds with that moist cupcake and then the delicious topping of that jelly on top. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe for Cookmas Day 2. If you did, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if you actually like peanut butter and jelly as a combo itself. Share this video out. I always appreciate that. Again, on the way to 2K, guys, so share. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during this Cookmas season. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays. Bye, guys.